Oh, back like I never left. What's up, Buzz? Now today we have the Sony Bravia Theater U. So we're gonna break down everything I think of this thing. So let's get right to it. All right, so this is the Sony Bravia Theater U right here. Now this is going for $200 right now during this holiday season. It's 200 bucks. It's normally a $300 speaker. So as you can see, it goes around your neck here, and it just acts as your own personal theater slash speaker around you, and it's really good. It's better than you think, trust me. But like I said, it's going for $200 right now. This is probably the best time to get this speaker if you are looking to have something that is going to be more personal, that you can have the volume up a little bit more without disturbing others. This is probably one of your best directions to go if you don't want to use earbuds or anything like that. When it comes to the comfort of the Theater U, it's very comfortable. The main use case for this is going to be at home, sitting on your couch, sitting on your bed, playing the game, listening to your TV shows, watching movies with this. So you shouldn't be doing too much movement. But if you do get up to walk around out of the room like I did this morning, I was listening to the college football playoff selections in the living room, but I was still walking around the room doing a whole bunch of other stuff, and you know, it never bothered me. I just got so used to wearing it. The comfort is really good, and it doesn't bug you where you know that, oh, I got this on, let me take it off because it's hurting my neck or anything. None of that. It just feels really good, and you don't have to really adjust it too much, even though it feels like and looks like it's just going to go all over the place. It really doesn't. It sits very well in one spot. Now, why would you buy the Sony Bravia Theater U? Now, if you are like me, I don't like to disturb my neighbors in my apartment complex. It's a mutual respect. They're not loud, they're not making noise, so I don't want to be, making noise and disturbing them. And that's where this comes in handy. If you are like that with anyone, anyone that you live in the house with, live with your parents, you live with your friends, anything like that where you don't want to disturb, but you also want to enjoy what you're watching, what you're gaming, you can use this option as well if you don't want to wear earbuds all the time. Now you'll just put this around your neck, and it'll give you your own home theater like system basically. Now when you take this off, it doesn't sound as loud as it does when it's around your neck, which is really cool because you'll have it at a lower volume that won't disturb no one. And once you put it around your neck, you're like, oh, this is loud. And it's the same volume, you didn't turn it up. Now these do get loud, but it's really cool how it's not going to disturb anyone, but when it's around your neck, it just sounds like, man, this is really freaking loud. All right, so let's just run through the battery life real quick. It is 12 hours, up to 12 hours of battery life in this, depending on the volume of what you're listening to, of course. But you're looking up to 12 hours, even though it's going to be more of a luxury type speaker, meaning it's going to be more at home and not really taken out. You can use it out and about. I did use it at work, but it's more of an at-home type of speaker around your neck. Now, when it comes to the waterproofness of this speaker, you're gonna be looking at IPX4. So if you're drinking water or whatever while you're watching your show and you spill on yourself and it gets on the speaker, it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be able to handle splashes with no problem with the IPX4 rating. And since it's gonna be home, it shouldn't be a lot of cases where it's gonna get water on it, other than you spilling on yourself or something. So that's really good with the IPX4. All right, so for the sound test, we'll just do a song real quick because that's not really the use case that you really need this for. We'll do anime episode and then just like another TV show episode. You guys won't be able to see it, you'll just be able to hear it. But let's do a couple seconds of each. All right, right now it's at just above medium volume, halfway. Now, like I said, you really can't hear it, but when you put it around your neck, that volume is different. Now we're going to just do a fight scene in an anime, so you can hear like the sound effects and stuff. It doesn't translate as good because when it's around your neck, it's such a different level, but we'll still play it. So that was just a couple of the sound tests, and the sound tests are not going to do this justice at all because it's different when you put it around your neck. I'm going to keep beating that drum because it shocks everyone, and it just sounds so loud and it sounds so cool. And definitely when you're watching a show, listen to music, you could definitely, it's like the difference is there. Like, oh, it sounds so loud off compared to on, but when you're watching a show, Because in a show, there's not sound effects going on all the time. You know, there's a lot of dialogue, light music, you know, softer, FX going on. And when you don't have this on, it sounds really light. And then once you put it on is when all that just really jumps off, and your ears just pick up on so much of the sound when it's on. All right, so I really think this is a great speaker, and I think it's a great product, and it could be a great gift if you know of anyone that always, has the volume low because they're, trying to be respectful for you, or if you're trying to let them know, hey man, you be too loud, I got something for you. So either way, but I think it's a great gift for that. Now, I know what the price is going to be, $300 right now during the holiday season. Like I said, it's $200. I think that's a great price for it right now. I think we should definitely get in at that $200 range because you're already looking at like $150, $120, even more for just earbuds and headphones. So if you really don't want that and you want a speaker, or if you want to try something out, definitely, try this out and see. I don't think you will be disappointed. If you're trying to use it for the same reasons I'm using it, because I don't want to disturb others, you're going to be happy with this. And when you put it on, you're like, dang, that's crazy. My coworker, my boy, Collins, I let him try this out. He was like, oh, I could, it sounds good. He put it on. He was like, that's wild. That's crazy. Because it really is, from hearing it when it's not around your neck to putting it around your neck, and how it just absorbs everything around you and just gives you that theater feel in a personal space. All right, but so there you have it. That's the Sony Bravia Theater U. So if you guys want to check this out, like I said, I put the link down in the description below so you guys can click that. And it is going for $200 right now instead of $300. So definitely get in at that $200 price range because we already pay, $150 and up for earbuds and headphones. And if you're looking to buy those just so you won't be disturbing someone else, but you really don't want that, this is going to be a great option for you. So definitely check this one out. All right, so and if you like this video, please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, click one of my other videos here, and I'll see all of you in my next one. Happy holidays to everyone out there. My name is Rodney, and this was Wanna Buy It. See you in my next video. Peace.